want to change my control pattern. Right now I'm an ISO. I want to go to H pattern. I start my machine, put my lap bar down, I hit push to operate. Once it's green, I can operate. I take control of it again, turn it off. Now, push and hold it, it beeps. I'm now in H pattern. So now, push to operate again. Now I'm driving in H pattern. So now my right hand joystick will only run my right hand side of my machine. If I want to switch it again, I hit push to operate. Take control of the machine, push and hold ISO. It beeps to acknowledge. Push to operate again. Now my left hand is doing all my driving. My right hand is only running my hydraulics.